Good afternoon. Well, you can see that I'm back in the quarries, but quite a different environment to the other day when it was beautifully warm and sunny. Today it's actually snowing. I don't know whether you can make out the snowflakes, but it is snowing. I've got Snowdon behind me, but you can't actually see the top of Snowdon. Bit of a panorama on the snow. Beautiful. Well, that was an unexpected little diversion, helping to reunite the two kids with their parents. So looking down from Dinorwig Quarry, I'm just going to zoom in. See where that patch of sunlight is centre screen? Well, that's actually Castell Badarn that was built by Llywelyn ap Iorwerth, Llywelyn the Great, in the year 1230. Superb. If you get a chance, go and visit it. Days like this, it reminds me that the quarrymen were working in all conditions, all weather conditions, and the sort of work that was carried out here, as well as quarrying of the slate for export, was the whole construction of the site. And you can see here one of the inclines that's supposed to bring the site down off the mountain, and this is just a wall at the side of one of the inclines. Amazing feat of engineering. A very, very exposed spot. I'm about to leave the quarry area now, but just before I depart for the day, in the days where the quarry was in its heyday, the workers would know the different levels by names. So there was a level called Australia, there was California, and those were places that the slate was being exported to. They would also name some of the levels by names of local villages where the workers would have come from. Now, nowadays we have other names on parts of the quarry. Up at the very top there you have a place called Never Never Land, and at the bottom here this is known as Darley's, and this is what the areas are called by the rock climbers. So these are rock climbing pitches, very, very popular. Nobody on them today, but at the weekend when it was Easter bank holiday, there were many climbing on these areas here. You wouldn't get me down there on a month of Sundays, to be honest with you, but it's wonderful to watch them when they are here.